bunch of rowdies. Time Terry decided he was going to dance with every girl in the place. Where was that? I can't remember. Somewhere near Lake Crystal.
Yeah, Larry.
Jesus.
Larry, I'm getting... Larry, this is kind of scary out here in the woods like this.
Larry, I'm getting a bit tired. I'm going to take me a little rest here.
Okay, Al.
Yeah, I'm just going to take a rest here.
Al, wait.
Yeah.
Al. Al.
God. Hold on.
Al. Al's sleeping. I'm man enough to go out here by myself. I don't need Al anyway. Al, I don't need Al. Al, I don't need you. Hey, what is this? Maybe I can sleep in here.
Larry, where'd that fool get off?